see if I can get this back in there. Something like that, right? You think they're supposed to have grease in the bushing so it won't bind?
Was it polyurethane?
No, it's
Feels like it's got something on it already, doesn't it?
Could be
silicone. The grease might just attack it, make it degrade.
Yeah.
A lot of aluminum under this thing, isn't it?
Yeah. I think it's all aluminum, isn't it?
All the suspension appears to be.
Like the entire car, isn't it?
Well, I don't know. So we got the split bushings, sway bar links, the nuts, washers, sway bar clamps, everything you need. Of course, the sway bar. This is an M5 sway bar. Yeah, a little beefier. The entire kit.
Yeah. I guess the brackets might be different. They might be slightly larger.
Might be. They look different.
Yeah.
There's more of a pronounced bump in them.
This one's got a washer built in, and then a lock one. And that is just a straight connection. Do you have a spanner wrench?
What do you?
Think I'll even notice a difference?
Probably will. But you'll know it's there. Think it'll make you need to change the front one?
No. No. Because most cars come like with the rear too soft and the front too stiff. For safety reasons. Like they want the car to understeer. A lot of times the performance bars for the front, they won't even be smaller. They'll just have more attachment points so you can adjust it.
Going to be changing the sway bar link, the sway bar, the mount on both sides. Sorry.
I'm actually going to leave that alone for now. Because once I take that out, it's going to be flopping around.
Yep. Is there something you put on the back side to keep that thing from spinning?
Yeah. But it's
Did it? You gotta clock it.
Yeah. Even then, it isn't gonna want to go because of the boot.
Do you need a thinner wrench?
Yeah. Oh, this one fits. I will need a thinner one for installing the new one. The 528 and the 540 has the exact same rear differential.
Oh yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. So I guess in this application it's overbuilt. So there was a washer on that. I'll have to remember.
Same thing on this side, looks like. Think the new ones might be stiff enough where you wouldn't need a wrench?
Possibly. Although they use the lock nuts.
Oh yeah. Yeah, these are pretty well built cars, aren't they?
I think so.
I'm regretting selling that one I have.
The silver one?
Yeah.
You know, that's probably like a $30,000 car.
Really?
Like to someone like Laura.
Yeah. Really?
Oh yeah. Because if you wanted a perfect E39, that was it. You know.
Mm-hmm. The lady that bought it could barely drive it.
Do you think she still has it?
I don't know. She probably wrecked it.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. I remember watching her after we met at the DMV, and she was just sitting in it.
Yeah. Maybe you should call her and just ask her what the deal is.
Oh, it's probably trashed by now.
She might be like, oh, it hasn't been running. It needs an engine. You know?
Yeah.
And you've got the tools for the studs.
I can look it up. I'll see if I still have her. She called me a couple of years later saying her son wanted one, and did I have another one to sell?
Yeah.
He wanted a newer model. I tried to tell her that those were the best years to get one.
Yeah. I bet the newer ones are pretty good too, though.
I see a lot of them advertised. They say the iDrives don't work.
Yeah.
Whatever that is.
That's the all-wheel drive.
It's some kind of knob in the center console, right?
I think so. Or the X-Drive is the all-wheel drive. The iDrive might be the different drive modes.
There's a wagon for sale.
Oh, there is?
Mm-hmm.
In an
Thanks.
E39 or?
It's a later model.
Okay. You should get it.
I'd like a wagon. It's pretty cool. So that's the old one. Can I use that for my lawnmower?
Sure.